Smartphone Products 2. I'm going to start my timer. So start by copying Smartphone Products 1. I'm just going to copy it from the given link. Load it. And then I'm going to drag it into or open it. Then I'm going to drag it from here into my static folder for my WADs. If it lets me. So there it is. I'm going to rename it Smartphone Products 2. Save. Alright. I'm going to start my terminal. I'm going to start my terminal and see if everything works properly.
Is it really? I remember there was like something like big difference in size, but a little different.
Right, the pictures aren't loading, but I think I need to change the URLs from 9 to 8. I'm gonna do that. Gonna save it, and the picture should show up now. Yep. Moving on. In products display.html, add the following variables to the head. I'm gonna copy it from here, and in the head, I'm just gonna paste it after all of this. I'm gonna add in script tags.
Yeah, I didn't know it was happening. He was looking at the video, and I was like, oh, bruh, I didn't sample that position, please. Oh, he's ready for a nap during the video. Actually, when I walked outside,
Save it. Then make a copy of the last section and paste it underneath. Last section, copy, and paste. Then convert this duplicate section into a string template and use document.write to output it. Okay. Gonna start a script tag. And then I'm gonna make a document.write with a string template. So backtick, and after the section I'll put another backtick and a parentheses. Save that. Oh, I'm gonna reload the page to see if I have 6. Okay, so I have another one. Now use the templates to replace the inner HTML of H2 with the variable name 1, and the same for images and the price. Did it for the name, and now for the price. Didn't do a backslash to separate the $signs, and actually I'll just do another one. Price 1, and for the image I'll delete the URL.
So like, if you do it with respect to X,
and do image 1.
Boy, I figured it out.
Okay, I'm gonna save it and see if everything appears as it should. Okay, I switched to match the first one, which it should have, so that's good. And now above document write, add a variable I and initialize it to 1. Do var I equals 1 semicolon. Use eval in the templates to generate the variable names using I. Okay, so for each one, I'm just gonna do eval parentheses name plus I. And do the same thing for the 3 other variables. Image 1, image, eval first, image plus I, and delete image 1. This save that. Everything should still be the same, which it is. Now change I to 2 and check that the first section is now the same as the second section. This section is the same. Save, reload, and then switch to the second one. Delete the original 5 sections and check that section 2 is the only one. Okay, so I'm gonna delete all of these. So it's just my 1 section, save, and it's just that one. Now use a for loop in base of the variable initialization to loop on the document right and change I from 1. Okay. So I'm going to delete the variable and start a for loop. So for I is initialized to 1, semicolon. For the next one, I'm going to do an eval type of name rows plus I. Close parentheses. Does not equal undefined. And after this, I'll add I with the increment. I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna check. This should display with all 6 like it did before. Yep, everything displays as it originally did with the 5 variables. And that's it.